Hi guys! Today I'm doing a reveal of some shopping I did recently at the Direct Factory Outlet in South Wharf. South Wharf. So I was with a friend and she did much more shopping. I wasn't planning to buy anything, but obviously got some things. So I'm gonna reveal. So you might recognize this brand, but this is the last thing I'm gonna reveal. Alright, let's go. So, first thing I got was from Portman's, and you'll notice the theme as I reveal. So this was a jumper, and I've been buying a lot of jumpers lately. I think, you know, it's to do with COVID, lockdown, staying at home, that we end up buying like cozy, fuzzy stuff. So there's a theme there, but I don't think I want to buy too many more jumpers. So that's one. All right, next one. So I actually got two paper shopping bags. This is the next one. So it's from Spade. So they've got an outlet there. I don't know if they have a proper shop anymore in, oh yeah, they do, at Chadstone. All right. This is the next one. So it's in plastic wrap because they got me a brand new one from the store. And it took me a long time to decide because the same style had two sizes. So I don't usually go to Spade that much. So when when I'm at the outlet, it just appeared brand new to me. Like I've never seen it before. Okay, so let's reveal it. Alright, you can start to see. So this is this is in the Natalia tweed, and so the outlets, usually there's a promotion. I don't know what the normal promotion is, but it was 50% off, and then there was another 20% off. So, okay, do this off. The foam is ruined. Okay. So, reveal. Oh, what's going on? The tag is stuck on the phone. Hello! My cameraman's face is... No, that wasn't it, but close. Alright, so this is the bag. So it's a Natalia tweed, and this is the medium size, and there was a slightly smaller size that was it's still rectangular but more squarish. So I'm surprised that I bought this because I'm not a big fan of tweed, but the tweed pattern, this is also quilted, so there's lots of layers. But this tweed, it doesn't look like old lady tweed. Probably mainly because there's twinkle in it. So there's tinsel as well as sequin, and it's quilted. So there's a double quilted line. So it is, I think it's definitely inspired by Chanel bags, but I'm not a big fan of your common Chanel bags. So this is a better alternative that suits my personal style. So let's unwrap the handle. There's one thing I'm not a massive fan of in this bag, which my husband's probably gonna be like, why'd you buy it? Actually, okay. Oh, so lots of layers. Okay, actually I'll show you this. I like this actually. So the clasp is like a diamond pyramid thing. Oh, there's too many layers. Lots of padding to keep it safe. Oh, how I do this. So there's still more padding, and then there's this thing. Okay, I'm just gonna try and clasp it. What the hell? I can do it. So there, that's what it looks like clasped together. So there's Kate Spade, New York there. But I like this, the diamond star effect. All right. So I had to triple check the hardware color, and it's a light champagne color. I was like, is this silver? And I'm like, is it reflecting off the bag? It's definitely not gold. And yeah, so it took a while. So the straps are black, which is interesting. So there's another black bit here. This is too tricky to get off, guys. So, and I don't know how to get the cardboard thing off yet. So I think I have to rip it in a bit. But that's the back, and there's a pocket here, which is good and convenient. Probably end up putting my phone in there. And there's, might as well try and show. And there's a zip pocket in here. Black lining. Okay, so I'll show you what it looks like on me. So yeah, definitely reminiscent of Chanel, but proportionately, I don't usually wear bags this big, but I liked the more obvious rectangle rather than the rectangular square size. That's why I decided to go with this instead. I like the twinkle, and yeah, do you see a theme? So I need scissors to undo this. I don't have them here, so but that's my second one. Okay, making a mess. All right, final reveal. So okay, well, spoiler, this is also a bag. And my friend, like, I was halfway looking through the store, and my friend's like, come look at this. I'm like, wait. And she's like, come look at this. So she was really serious about me seeing this. And I bought it on a whim, and it's kind of like, oh, what the hell? And it was their last one. And so, you know, this was from the back, so it was in plastic and everything. This was on display, and it was the last one, and I'd never seen it before. And I asked them for a dust bag, and then the girl at the register had to ask her manager, I think, and she gave her the nod. So I didn't even know they had fancy dust bags, but this is what the dust bag looks like. And I'm like, oh, it's so fun and quirky. And Kate Spade are known to be a bit quirky and colourful. So I thought this was nice. It's pink with other bags in there. The string is green. That's odd. Okay. This is the kicker, guys. This is what you've all been waiting for, even though you didn't know it. Wait, hold on. Okay. Ready? All right. Cameraman, husband, feel free to react verbally. This way.
Oh my God.
Is that all? Is that all you've got?
Yes.
There's a little thread here. So it's silver and grey glitter. It's got feet, which I'm very impressed by. I'm like, oh, I'm a bit blinded right now because of all the different ceiling lights. So it's got navy handles. I'm guessing it's leather, I'm not 100%. And there's a strap in here. So it's a navy strap that matches the handles, which is nice. So the handles clip in diagonally. But this, they're not ready for this. So so see this is a shopping bag. This is also a shopping bag. And inside the shopping bag, there was a dust bag. So with the high-end kind of places, they use a dust bag. And this bag has an integrated dust bag. So I looked it up online and there was a pink version too, which I didn't see. But it's called the something shopper. The glitter shopper, I think. So it's designed to look like a shopping bag. And this is kind of a trend lately where you buy leather bags that look like shopping bags. And my friend was like, oh, we got a good lunch bag, but it's not. She said it wasn't wide enough for a lunchbox. But I love this. So this is attached. It's a navy fabric bag with a tie drawstring here. And you can open it, and that's where you put your stuff. And if you tuck it, you can put it in and just hide it away also. So I thought that was very clever. So this is what it looks like on. And yes, it's very gimmicky, and I like quirky stuff like that, if you couldn't tell already. So this is the length, the general length. So I'm 5'6", 168 centimeters tall, no shoes. So that's where it lands, pretty good. Would I wear a crossbody? Yeah, maybe when I'm lazy. So it's quite malleable. Is it too much?
It's a lot.
Oh, it's a lot, not too much. I like it. So I like how the brand is actually quite subtle too. And I have no idea what this is made of. I'm guessing it's glitter on leather. Find out. No, I can't. But yeah, so I thought this was cool. I think I'd actually use this a lot just because it's fun. So could drape the strap down like this. So there. What do you reckon? Let me know what you think of this bag or the other bag as well. But yeah, okay. Now, in case you haven't noticed the theme, they're all glittery and shiny. This was not planned, but you know, love and light, guys. Love and light. Let me know what you think. And please subscribe to follow more of my shopping or fashion adventures. Thanks.